Meaning of haddock.
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 Haddock. Haddock is a type of fish that is commonly found in the North Atlantic Ocean, particularly in waters near Iceland, Norway, and Scotland. It is a relatively small fish, measuring on average about 30 to 40 centimeters in length, and has a distinctive dark patch on its side. Haddock is a popular food fish, prized for its delicate white flesh and mild flavor. It is often prepared by poaching, smoking, or pan-frying, and is commonly used in dishes such as fish chowder, fish cakes, and fish and chips. Overall, haddock is a versatile and delicious seafood that is enjoyed by many people around the world.